In this video, I want to show you how to reset this lock. This is the Kwikset Powerbolt 240. So you want to reset your lock if it's not working properly, or maybe you just moved into a new house or you've lost your code and you want to remove all the existing codes and set new ones. Then you want to reset the lock. So to reset this lock, what you want to do first is to go to the interior assembly, and the next step is to remove the interior cover. So to reset this lock, what you want to do is to press and hold the programming button for 15 seconds. This is the programming button right here. So you want to press and hold it. Keep holding. Once you hear that long beep, release it. Now press it once more. So that's it, the reset is complete. So what you want to do next is to perform the door handing detection. Whenever you reset this lock, the first thing you want to do is to perform the door handing detection. The lock needs to know if your door is a right or left-handed door. So to do this, you want to press the programming button once. Now let's go to the keypad. And now you want to press 0, hit the lock button. So the door handing process is complete, and you can see the latch has extended and retracted to learn the orientation of the door. So that's how to perform the door handing detection after a reset. So what you want to do now is to add user codes. This lock allows you to add up to 12 user codes which you can use to unlock your door, and you can also share these codes with anyone you want to give access to your home. So to add a user code, what you want to do first is to go to the interior assembly and press the programming button. And now you want to press 1 and hit the lock button. So enter your code, 4 to 8 digits. Hit the lock button. So you're going to hear a long beep and see a green flash here, meaning your code has been added. So let's confirm it. Hit this button to lock. Now to unlock, let's enter the code we just added. So let's add another code. Go to the interior assembly and press the programming button. Now you want to press 1 and hit the lock button. Enter your new code, 4 to 8 digits. Hit the lock button. So that's it, the new code has been added. Let's test it again. Hit this button to lock. And to unlock, let's enter the new code. So that's it. And if you want to remove a code, what you want to do first is to go to the interior assembly and press the programming button. And now you want to press 3 and hit the lock button. Enter the code you want to remove. Hit the lock button. Enter the code again. Hit the lock button. So you're going to hear a long beep and see a green flash here, meaning the code has been removed. So let's test it. Hit this button to lock. Okay, to unlock, let's try the code we just removed. So you can see it's no longer working. Let's enter an active code. So that's it. So that's how to reset this lock and set new codes. I hope this video helps you, and if so, please consider subscribing to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.